Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix Madden NFL 24 franchise glitch. Turn off progressive fatigue. One way to fix the glitch is to turn off the progressive fatigue as soon as you start your franchise with your first main team. And to do this, follow the steps. Adjust the height and weight sliders. Another solution is to adjust the height and weight sliders for player in the edit player and screen if the franchise mode. To do this, follow the steps. Open the Madden NFL 24 and navigate to the franchise mode menu. Adjust the height and weight slider. And another solution is to adjust the height and weight slider for the player in the edit player screen franchise mode. To do this, follow the steps. Open the Madden NFL 24 and navigate to the franchise mode. Select the roster or class menu and find the player you want to edit and wait a patch if the above solutions don't work. If you may need to wait for a patch from the game's developer. Madden NFL 24 is suffering from several game breaking bugs in franchise mode, and it's possible that a future patch will be address the issue. And keep an eye out for updates games developers. Once a patch is released, download and install it. Launch the model NFL 24 and navigate to the franchise mode menu and check to see if the glitch has been resolved. And thanks for watching us.